Students, so now in this particular lecture we are going to solve numericals, okay, related to energy and power. Okay, so as we have discussed the chapter number 2, that is work and energy, completely, now we will see the numericals. So to begin with, question number 1, what is the question? A ball of 163 gram, okay, so the ball is there, the mass of the ball is 163 gram, is thrown at a velocity of 25 meter per second. So velocity is also given, 25 meter per second. What we have to do, we have to find the kinetic energy developed in the ball. What we have to find, we have to find the Ke, that is kinetic energy developed in the ball. Okay, so the mass is given, that is m is equals to 163 gram. Okay, we know that the SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, so we have to convert this 163 gram into kilograms. So what we will do, okay, we will divide this 163 by 1000. Okay, to convert gram into kilogram, we have to divide that particular value by 1000. So it will give us the unit in kilograms. Okay, so that is nothing but 0.163 kg. Okay, 0.163 kg. Okay, 1000 is used to divide 163, so it will give us 0.163. जब ऐसे किसी टर्म को हम लोग को डिवाइड करना होता है 1000 से, ओके, सो नीचे कितने जीरोज है, 1 2 3 जीरोज है, तो ऊपर हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि 3 डिजिट के बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डेसिमल पॉइंट लेंगे फ्रॉम द यूनिट प्लेस. ओके, सपोज 12985 अपॉन 100 है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 जीरोज हैं, सो क्या करेंगे कि यूनिट प्लेस से सेकेंड डिजिट के बाद हम लोग क्या लेंगे, डेसिमल पॉइंट लेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज द वे, okay, for the division of such numbers. Now we have got the mass in kilograms, so it is 0.163 kilogram. Then the velocity is given, it is 25 meter per second. Okay, what we have to find, we have to find the kinetic energy. So we know the formula, kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Okay, half mv square. So 1 upon 2 into what is mass, it is 0.163 into what is the velocity, it is 25, so 25 square. Okay, it will give us half into 0.163 into what is the square of 25, it is 625. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 fives are 10. So we get 312.5. So 0.163 into 312.5. Okay, so it can be find as, okay, what we can do, you can take 0.163, okay, into 312.5. okay, so we will multiply this, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry upside, 5 6 are 30, 31, 3 carry upside, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8, 5 zeros are 0, then 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry upside, 2 1s are 2 plus 3 plus 1 3, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, then 1 3s are 3, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 1 zeros are 0. Okay, then 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry upside, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 zeros are 0. Okay, then 5, 1 plus 6 7, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 1 carry upside, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 9 19, plus 1 carry upside, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10. Okay, 1 carry again, 1 plus 4 becomes 5. Okay, and 0 as it is. So we have got 0509375. Now we have to take the decimal point. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, here after 3 digit and here after 1 digit, so 3 plus 1 4. So we will take the decimal point after 4 digit from the unit place. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we get the answer as 50.9375. Okay, so we will write 50.9375 joule. Okay, this is the final answer. The kinetic energy developed in the ball is 50.9375 joule. Okay. Now we will see the second question. So question is, a suitcase of 20 kilogram is kept at top of cupboard. Okay. Find the potential energy in suitcase if height of cupboard is 5 meter. Okay. So there is one suitcase, okay, which is kept at the top of cupboard. Okay. The weight of the suitcase is given, that is 20 kilograms. So we have the mass m is equals to 20 kg. Then the height of the cupboard, that means the distance between the suitcase and the surface is given, that is h is equals to 5 meter. What we have to find? We have to find the value of potential energy. Okay, so PE is equals to question mark. Now we know the formula of PE. It is PE is equals to mgh. Okay, so the value of m, that is mass, is 20. Now the value of acceleration due to gravity, which is more important, we have to keep this in mind, that value of acceleration due to gravity of Earth is 9.81 meter per second square. 9.81 meter per second square. So 9.81 into, what is the height? It is 5 meter. Okay, so 20 into 5 becomes 100. Okay, into 9.81. So 9.81 into 100 is nothing but 981. So we get potential energy is equals to 981 joule. Okay, what is the potential energy? 981 joule. Therefore we can write that the potential energy in suitcase is 981 joule. Okay, now we will see the third question. Okay, so the question is, find the height of object from the surface if mass of the object is 100 kilogram and potential energy stored in that object is 1962 joule. Okay, now in this particular numerical, the mass is given and potential energy is given, and what we have to find? We have to find the value of h, that is height of the object from the surface. Okay, so first we will write down the given. So what is given? Height of the object we have to find. Mass is given, m is equals to 100 kgs. Okay, then the potential energy of that particular object is given, it is 1962 joule. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the value of h. So h equal to question mark. Okay, for solving this we will need the value of acceleration due to gravity. So g is equals to 9.81 meter per second square. Okay, now the solution. So we know the formula of potential energy, it is PE is equals to mgh. So we know the value of m, it is given 100, g is 9.81, and we don't know what is h. Okay, we also know the value of PE, that is 1962. Okay, then 100 into 9.81, it is going to be 981 into h. Okay, 1962 equal to 981 into h. Therefore h is equals to 1962 upon 981. Okay, this 981, it is multiplying in the RHS, it will divide in the LHS. Okay, now we will solve this. Okay, we have to divide this 1962 by 981. So we will take the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, left 2, 2 1 21, 3 7s are 21. Okay, then 3 6 are 18, 1 6 16, 3 5s are 15, 1 2 12, 3 4s are 12. So we get 654 upon 327. Okay, so when you will divide this, we are going to get h is equals to, okay, 327 was 327 and 327 2s are 654. 327 प्लस 327 क्या होता है, 7 प्लस 7 14, 1 कैरी अपसाइड, 1 प्लस 2 3, 3 प्लस 2 5 and 3 plus 3 6, so 654 आता है. So 327 was 327 and 327 2s are 654. So we get h is equals to 2 meter. H is equals to 2 meter. Therefore height of the object from the surface is 2 meter. What is the height? It is 2 meter. Okay, sir, homework for this particular lecture is going to be, you have to write down these 3 solved numericals. You will get these 3 numericals in the PDF. Okay, the link of the PDF is given in the description. You have to write these 3 numericals. Also the homework is there, which is also given in the PDF. Okay, so you have to solve this. Okay, in the next lecture also we are going to solve some more numericals. Okay, thank you.